What's the meaning of aloofness? Aloofness. 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 Aloofness.
Aloofness refers to a state of being distant or detached from others. It suggests emotional and social detachment, often characterized by a lack of interest or enthusiasm towards socializing or engaging with others. Aloof individuals may come across as cold, unfriendly, and unapproachable, making it difficult for others to connect with them on an emotional level. Moreover, aloofness can lead to feelings of isolation and loneliness, as relationships with others are vital to overall health and well-being. Therefore, it is essential to consider the feelings of others while maintaining a healthy level of independence.